So praat hulle nou kak hier van 'n mens. Hè? Hoe noem 'n mens sulke mense vriende?
Keep your energy right. This is not some expert advice, but certain shit you gotta value and protect.
How's it? So it's again another early morning. It's 23 minutes past 6 Saturday morning. Tomorrow morning it's going to be the same thing with the other car we're shooting. Slammed at the lake, left my lip with some bruises, with a sunburn. My legs and everything was burned. Yeah, so on our way this morning to shoot Brett's car, but first let's just head over to the vlogging I did the other evening when we shot Jason's Passat. Unfortunately I didn't start the vlog off, so let's just jump over to that before I speak further. Fabian, wil jy net vir ons 'n opening prayer maak aan ons op dit? Waar is dit?
Hey bro, I'm getting cold. My toes is getting cold, bro. Oh, my tone kry koud. So man is toes dan.
Hæ?
My toes in the vlog.
Hey, wat 'n niks is hy, joh.
As ek put my toes in the vlog.
Shooting Jason's Passat here.
Someone's gonna post it video and then
They gotta make a sticker of you. Sticker of your toes.
my big toe look like a toffee apple.
Hier's die krummeltone.
Yeah, my tone is just so there. That's so thin here at the bottom. Like a lot.
See, it's getting nice and bright now. It is brighter this corner here, ne? Yeah, you must park there.
I'm smoking now. Yeah. How do you think?
Yeah. Wat is die lyne?
A touch up? Oh yeah, pick up. Black though. But don't turn.
Where's the park that side?
There.
Half straight or what?
Man is gou besig om 'n R32 conversion hier te doen.
Wat is sien wat is onder die bonnet doen? Ja, die fucking camera man. Geef my net hy fucking camera. Gee die fucking camera. Wag. Ja? Ja, dan ook. Sy. Kyk die cinematics. Wag, sy. Kyk die cinematics.
Die manne wil nou gat wat van my plaastrap is.
Ja, my fucking knee.
Wat het jy dan nou op die grond gaan
Ja,
staan?
maar was always lamso. Wat het crispy media?
Yeah.
Crispy media. Like fucking
kippy.
like gang signs. What they doing crispy like that?
Yeah, you must do that, funny.
Really? Go touch mode the back. You must drop till here. It starts rubbing.
It's rubbing now.
Okay, if it starts rubbing, give it a touch up. Where is it rubbing?
In the front.
Okay, give it a tucky in front up. Just is it a rub when you go for bumps or what?
It's rubbing while I'm driving for the right.
Nah, just give it a touch up in front.
3.5.
Nah, it was an SUV.
It's a BM X3.
So
I really enjoy doing a night shoot. I think I'm gonna do more of this going forward. You guys will see in the synthesis film how the night shots came out on Jason's car. So we off to shoot Brett's car now. Not only that, we're going to do some drone footage of certain scenery that we want for the film. Hopefully this Friday or before Friday even, we're going to have synthesis launched. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys now when I pull up a Brett. Yeah, busy shooting Brett's car now. Sorry, I don't have my thing on the gimbal. Brett is busy flying drone there. Say hello, Brett. So, yeah. Early morning. Tomorrow is another early morning.
Pennies to eat. Her mama out of the picture. Her dad will help when he can. He on and off of the bottle. He been through hell for the fam. She got a brother in jail. Another brother that died. He had cancer at 12. It really fucked up her mind. See, they were kids at the time, but she didn't feel like a kid. Cause all the shit that she dealt with, it really didn't align. It's heavy. Stress for the rest of the week. Antidepressants to sleep. Sadly, just scratching the surface. Know that the rest of it's deep. Cold heart, cold heart. She was left with nothing but a cold heart. Stuck inside the house, couldn't go far. The movie ain't the same without a co-star. Got a cold heart, cold heart. Look what she becoming with a cold heart. Living with the devil, you'll never go far. The movie ain't the same without a co-star.
Oh, good morning. 5:38 now. I'm on my way to Fabian. This is the last car we're filming for the synthesis film. So it is coming out this week. Sorry. Yeah, this is the last car we're filming. It's Bregham's BMW E28, if I remember correctly. It's a 5 Series. On my way to Fabian now. He's not going to be happy again. It's another early morning shoot. So I shot Brett's car yesterday, also same time up, and now Bregham's car. Well, the reason for that is because I have bookings so often. So I've been crazy busy with content and bookings as well, and I just had to get synthesis behind me because everything didn't go as planned. Like always, these challenges that happen. 2 or 3 of the cars that was supposed to be in the film had to pull out literally on the last minute due to certain things. Cars not being ready or something happened, and we dealt with it. So there was supposed to be more cars, and sorry for the Japanese guys. The Japanese cars all had commitments that they had to look after. Cars wasn't ready on time. So this movie has got a lot of German cars in, besides Slam the Lake that has a variety in. So don't think that I've been shooting German cars because I wanted to only shoot German cars. It's just that unfortunate events happened that the Japanese cars that I shot, that I wanted to in the film, wasn't ready. So yeah, those cars will come to the channel from January onwards. But I hope you guys enjoyed the journey with us. It's been a rough couple of weeks, and I think I'm going on a well-deserved break. So you guys won't be seeing content for a while or regularly as supposed to, but I just need a break. I've been constantly busy every weekend with content, and it's time I need to spend some time with the family. I'll catch you guys at the shoot now soon. Kijk like die man.
Yeah.
Here's Brett setting up his drone. Hi Brett.
Morning guys.
And then there's the car we're shooting. Fabian, it's Brigham, busy shooting this classic beauty. So we're gonna start shooting now. Fabian is now there telling Brigham what ride I had to drive and how we're going to drive now. Hopefully we don't get too much cars on the M3, but we need double lane or triple lane at least.